Hey, good morning everybody, this is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Citrus Park, Florida, which is right here in northwest Tampa. We're doing a gutter cleaning here for this customer. This gutter cleaning here is not the whole house. We're just doing the back where the pool cage meets the gutter, and that's always the worst one for some reason, because the channel is like so small, and I don't know how it's always like this thick. But I got my boy Jared working with me. Y'all probably seen him before, you know what I'm saying? He came back to get some hands-on training with me. He's gonna get started real soon, so you know, trying to help my guy out. But we all set up right here. I'm gonna go up top and show you guys what we're working with. All right, so we got going here, like I said, we're doing this channel. This channel right here, man, it's the worst one, I swear, of all the gutters we ever do. This is the part, this is how deep it is. And in here it's nothing but a bunch of sediment. But we're gonna get it cleaned up. Got stuff growing out the gutters. We're gonna try to do this with the pressure washer. It's good that it got this little guard right here where stuff won't probably fly over here on this pool deck. I don't want to have to go down there and rinse that off, but if we got to, we might have to do that. All right, let's get it. Alright guys, so the method is working for us. We did have to use our gutter tool. This gutter tool right here. You know what I'm saying? We had to use this to break it up and then use the ball valve to flush it out. Like I said, the sediment was about at least 3 inches deep. So it took a little while to break it up. You know what I'm saying? What I do is I break it up in sections so it's easier to manage. Instead of doing the whole gutter, I break it up in sections. Like on this one here behind me, I did 4 sections. I did 1, 2, 3, and then 4 over here. So it's easy to do it that way. And right now, I got my man over here flushing it out. And then, of course, some sediment fell through the screen on the pool deck. So we're gonna go down there and rinse that up. Make sure everything looks spot on. All right, guys, so we all done with the gutter cleaning. So we're just gonna do some clean up downstairs, cleaning the fence off. You want to leave the house, you know what I'm saying, close as possible how you found it. So we got some sediment on the pool deck, nothing crazy. So we're just gonna blow all this off, leave a nice pool deck for the customer when he returns. All right, guys, we all set up right here with the second job for the day. We're working out in Odessa, Florida. We're doing a house wash for this customer. The house is not really that bad, really. It's like the window frames. She has some areas where it's got a lot of algae and dust and some mildew, so we're gonna take care of those. We're gonna be downstream today with our J-Rod. You know what I'm saying? I got my man over here. He's gonna wet down all the plants that's around because it's about 90 degrees in Florida today, so we're just gonna take some precaution, wet down the plants before we start applying our mix. So let's go check him out. So right now he's just wetting down the plants back here. You know, give him a nice little drink before we start applying our mix. Like I said, it's kind of hot out here today, so it's a beautiful day, but it's hot. Real crazy in here. Got mud daubers over here too also. We're gonna have a big, that's a frog. That's not a mud dauber. That's a frog. Now I always tell you, spray around, don't spray at it, spray around when it comes to these power boxes. Some more, rinse some more. You got soap in there still. With the stucco, you gotta rinse it a little longer because it holds the soap in. So go back towards the window. Yeah, rinse the bottom of the window. All right, and rinse the bottom. All right. Alright guys, so right now we on the third side of the house. Gonna rinse this wall down and then go knock out the front wall. You know what I'm saying? So it's just closest to the van, so it's easier to wrap everything up. I got my man over here getting the hands on, baby. Getting that hands on. Man, y'all make sure y'all drop below, man. Ask me any questions y'all might have. You know what I'm saying? If you want to come out and train with your boy, you know what I'm saying? Get some hands-on experience, I got you. You can just use a shooter tip to get that off. But go ahead and rinse that wall down real good though. I like to rinse sideways instead of straight on. And I do the, you know what I'm saying? You see how you cascade down? That helps you rinse the wall, and you can see where you gotta re-rinse when it comes to stucco, because the way it holds the soap, sometimes you know you do a light rinse, you might miss some spots. So yeah, just do the whole wall first and you come back down and do that, so you gotta keep on switching back and forth. So see, now he's going back again. You don't see any more suds, so that's how you know the wall is clean and all the soap residue is gone. So we're at the front of the house. There's some plants around, so we're gonna do the same thing we did for the back. We're gonna go ahead and wet down the plants before we start applying our downstream mix, just for precaution, all right? Show them the, you know what I'm saying, shower cap, put it over the ring doorbells. As you can tell, this is wet already. You don't want to get SH in here, man. You're gonna be paying for a new one.